Y'all wanna see the gear closet? Hey y'all, welcome back for another video. If you're new here, my name's Mark and I usually talk about photography and gear and whatever else. And today I'm building out sort of like a rig to replace this one for when I'm making videos in the studio here. And our friends over at UURIG were nice enough to hook me up with a couple of bits and pieces to build out a rig for a new little camera that I got, the Canon M6 Mark II. So with my other cameras, I've tried a few of the different rigs that are out there, you know, different brands like Smallrig, UURIG. There's a few other ones that are out there that I haven't tried, but Smallrig and UURIG are the ones that you kind of see the most on Amazon. But UURIG reached out. I had mentioned their cage in a previous video about the M6 Mark II, and they offered to send out some parts for me to check out. So I've kind of cobbled them together in a little bit different of an idea for what I want to do, just kind of based on what they sent me out. But basically what we're going to do is build like a little rig for this camera. We've got the cage for the M6 Mark II, and that's gonna hold that nicely in there, and then it screws into the bottom of the camera with a with an Allen screw. That 1/4 through there, yeah. All right, so our camera is in place. I added a Nano Rail up here, and they do make a hot shoe relocator, which would have worked fine, but that didn't end up in the stuff that I got. So I took a Nano Rail, which is normally supposed to go in this part of the camera, and actually just moved it over with a couple of screws there. And then that way I'm able to mount a microphone with this Nano Rail to 1/4 arm here, and that just quick clips right into there, and it's got like these little safety guides, so you can't go too far unless you push that safety down, and then you're able to pull it out. But this one's cool because you can kind of get it into place and tighten it all down with one knob, kind of like if you were using like a friction arm. You still got your flip screen, you've got some better audio, got yourself a high quality vlog situation happening here. So another one of the little parts that they sent out was this little handle. So I'll just add this over here. I've never added a handle to any of my cameras before like this one, but let's see, you can put the wrench in, and yeah, got a little handle. Be cool to have a handle over here on this side, but this lens is manual focus, so it's easy to keep a hand there. Got a hand here. You can watch, or you could, you could vlog at. Yeah. So hey, thanks UURIG for sending out these parts and a few others. I've got the cable clamp here and a top handle. And yeah, I really appreciate it. If you want to check this stuff out and see if your camera is one of the ones that they make stuff for, use the links down below in the description. All right, that's that. This is it. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.